Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I thought I would do my check-in for the day before I run out and take care of some business. So last night was pretty rough. I did all of the errand running that I had to get taken care of. We went and got a birthday present. I ended up going straight to the birthday party. And we were only there for a short time when I started feeling kind of that feeling. So I just kind of sat there, held Ellie a little bit, watched her play some. Eli was just off bouncing. And then I realized what time of night it was. It was dinner time. And normally when we go to these birthday parties, there's always pizza. I mean, it is what it is. That's what kids love, which is totally fine. But normally when I go to these also, I just wait until I get home to eat. While my family munches down on junk food, I wait until I get home. Well, I didn't pre-think this in my brain that I'm pregnant right now and my body can't handle waiting. So I tried to kind of hold off, and then I started feeling more and more weak, and I really started to get the shakes. So I thought, well, crap. I went ahead and just had a couple slices of pizza, and I split some with my daughter, and that was not a good decision. Although it helped relieve my shaking for a short period, the effects I felt after, because I normally don't eat like that, because normally I do eat pretty clean, I felt horrible by the time we got home last night and then into this morning. I just felt awful. So I did pass on the cake. I saw my whole entire family had cake, even Ellie. So I felt better. Thank goodness I didn't do that. Oh my goodness, I don't know how I would have felt. But definitely having pizza was a bad option last night. So I need to pre-think things like this a little bit better, that if I'm going to be out, instead of just waiting a little bit longer to eat, that I have to have something packed with me at all times, no matter what, because you have these situations that things take longer. It's not that I could just wait. I probably should have just left the place and went and got some option that was a little bit healthier. But it is what it is. So definitely not going to do that for a very long time, because I just felt awful. And still today, I'm still feeling the side effects of it, because I basically felt like I just ate bread last night. And I don't eat a lot of bread products. I mean, I do have grains. That's something that's allowed. It's my yellow container. I mean, I do have grains and stuff in my diet, but I don't really eat a lot of heavy bread products. And then I do limit my cheese quite a bit. You know, in the 21-day fix, you can have cheese, but I don't eat as much of it. And so you combine that with the grease on pizza. It was just bad. So anyways, this morning I started off right. It's a little after 9 o'clock. Yeah, well, 9:30 almost, I guess. And I'm getting ready to have a quick snack before we leave. I'm going to have to grab something to go with me also, because I'm going to be gone until about time to get Eli. And then once I pick up Eli, we're going to come home, do homework real quick, and then we have a little event at the school tonight. So we'll be gone until about 7. By the time we get home, it'll be past dinner time for the kids. I'm going to try to feed them something a little early before we leave. And then when we get home, hopefully I can just get everybody in the tub, and then it'll be bedtime. So today's going to just fly by, because it's just going to be one thing to the next. But last night I did, like when I got home, I just kind of laid down. I bathed the kids, but I'm just like, you guys, I'm so sorry. Mom does not feel good. And because I started getting the crampy feeling, which is not a good sign for me at all. Just even a little bit. You know, it's so funny, because it's like normally a lot of women could just do stuff. Yesterday, just vacuuming my baseboards about took me out. And that's really frustrating. I mean, definitely in the future, as I'm doing web design and doing all these other things, I might have to consider hiring help, which, I hate the thought, but I literally might have to have someone come in and help me with household stuff, just so I could have enough energy to take care of business and my kids, and then let them deal with the household stuff, because it could get totally out of control if I'm going to be like this. So anyways, today, nausea when I woke up as always, but I did my morning shake, and I felt so much better once I did. I was kind of a little weak, still a little weak, but I think once I go ahead and have my snack, I will feel so much better. I did a lot of research this morning, as I was just kind of letting my body feel just kind of wake up and just kind of sat there because of last night. You know, I didn't feel so hot this morning, so I just kind of let my body do its own thing this morning as I did my research. Oh my goodness, I will never remember 5 minutes. Anyway, so now like I said, I'm just getting ready to take off for the day, and we will see how the day goes. I'm sure by tonight I'm going to feel kind of worn. So tomorrow, I think, is our first day this week that I don't have an obligation in the evening, although I think my husband does. So, you know, that'll make just the kids, you know, just being a mom, taking care of stuff other than business, you know, just those typical things. So anyways, this is me checking out for today as I go about getting everything done that I need to, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, bye.